Hello, this has been Masonheimer with Silver Seas Yachts, and today I'm at the Dunes Marina in Newport Beach, California. I'd like to show you a new listing. It's a 2004 Tiara 3100 Open Limited Edition. It's in great shape and very well taken care of. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, here she is. 2004 Tiara 3100 Open Limited Edition. As you can see, she has some good shine on her and the gel coat is in great condition. This is a custom rail. It comes up much higher than the original rail, and it adds quite a bit of security. You have great walkways going forward, a couple rod holders built in here at the bow, and we have a windlass anchor, and it has controls, foot controls here and then controls at the helm. You can see all the hatches are in great condition, and the windshield. A lot of these windshields will have the paint peeling off, but this one's in very good condition, and the same goes for the hardtop. You have some nice rod holders here on the back of the hardtop, as well as some rocket launchers and spreader lights. 6 rod holders, 3 in each gunnel. And here's our swim platform with built-in swim ladder. Let's go ahead and look at the other side of the boat. It too is also in great condition. No chips in the gel coat. It's been really well cared for. All the bright work, everything is in great shape. Here's one little chip in the paint, but that's easily fixed. Okay, as we step aboard the boat, you'll notice we have a massive cockpit, great for fishing and cruising. You have this transom seat that folds out. Below that, you have a very large insulated ice box for your fish, and you have another one here. Here's your shore power connections. You have raw and freshwater washdowns that plug in here, engine hatch lift, 110 volt outlet, and you have some plugs here for downriggers. Here's our aft facing seat. The base of the seat will flip open and there's storage underneath it. You have storage also here and here. It has the L-shaped lounge configuration, and this is the most desirable configuration for this boat. It's really nice to sit here, get your feet up and just lounge. You also have another storage beneath this seat. As we move over to the helm seat, there's a very, very large storage locker beneath the helm seat, and you have a day hatch to get down into your engines without lifting up the whole hatch. Here at our helm, everything looks to be in good condition. All the switches, the throttles, you have an ICOM VHF here. Here's your autopilot. You have a C120 widescreen that's doing fish finding and GPS, and then you have a C80, which is a little bit older, and that's taking care of radar. You have your VDO gauges up here. They're all in perfect condition. We have 1221 hours, 1218 hours here. Here's your compass, and you have a vent in the windshield that flips open. You also have this nice map case, and the plexiglass is in great shape. Cup holders also, no cracks, they're crazy, and that's really nice. Same with the hatch going down through the companionway. It's in great shape. Okay, as we step down, all the woodwork is in great condition. This is the floor I was talking about earlier. It's been redone with teak and holly, real teak and holly, and it's in great condition. Here's our bed. It's very large. It has a filler cushion that'll fill it in here. You can see it just up there, and then there's a curtain that comes across. And this area also makes into a bed. And again, this table, beautiful condition. There's one little scratch on it right there. Very little. Other than that, it's perfect. I don't even know if you can see that. So this will go down and make a bed as well. After the settee, we have our panel. The boat is equipped with pretty much every option that you would want. It does not have a generator, but it does have AC. Here's your stereo, air conditioning controls, more storage, and then you have storage all the way across the top here. Just forward of our galley, we have a storage cabinet. Here's a very nice hanging locker. Plenty of teak storage cabinets below the galley, and then you have your refrigerator. Above that, you have your microwave and a stovetop that looks like it's never been used. Here's your stainless steel sink, storage behind You've got a port light there and more storage above. You also have port lights up above that open on either side, and then one forward. Here's our head, all in great shape, no smell or odor, vacuum flush toilet, and the faucet comes up and makes a shower. Now I couldn't get this light to come on, and I'll try that again, but I'm not sure, maybe it just needs a bulb. Okay, let's go ahead and look at our engines. Okay, here's our engine room. These are Crusader 8.1 liter MPIs, and they're in great shape, and they've had a lot of maintenance done on them and a couple upgrades to keep them perfect. Let's go ahead and take a look. So here's your transmissions. The shaft seals on both have been changed. Heat exchangers have been redone. I believe they're brand new. There's been a full tune-up done, and your manifolds and your risers, this section right here, both of those have been replaced, and you have all new hosing here and aftermarket fiberglass exhaust elbows, which is a very nice upgrade. The batteries have also been upgraded. It has new water pumps, new oil coolers, and one of the oil coolers has been moved to this stringer here, so it's much easier to get to. Traditionally, it was out here. I'm not going to go into all the work that's been done on these, but I will have a link to the boat's listing down in the description, and if you take a peek, you'll see there's a huge complete list of everything that's been done to make this boat ready to go for at least the next 10 years. One last thing I'd like to add. As I was cruising through here before, you may have noticed these light fixtures hanging down. The seller is replacing them with new ones that are LED because he doesn't like the yellowing on them. He doesn't think they look as good as the rest of the boat. So I'll have those on the boat next Thursday. Those will be LED, just like all the lights down in the cabin of the boat.